Hello and welcome to the Intercourt Armoured Car Regiment channel. Today we'll be covering the Squadron Organisation from February 1945 till May 1945. So the Intercourt Regiment, well, formation from the top starts with the regiment headquarters. Underneath that was the headquarters squadron. This consisted of the headquarters troop, the intercom troop and the admin troop. The AA troop that was part of the squadron's headquarters had long been gone, having been removed from the regiment by December 1944. It's possible that it may have been still present in October 1944. Beneath that we have the four Sabre squadrons, A Squadron, B Squadron, C Squadron, D Squadron. You'll note that the Matador Squadron that was formed in July 1944 has also gone. So the AEC Mark III 75mm Matador armoured cars had also been removed from the regiment by December 1944. These were still present in October 1944. The Sabre Squadron was reorganised as follows: the squadron headquarters, the admin troop, the support blitz troop and 5 Sabre troops. With the upcoming invasion of Germany, the Intercourt felt that the need to have smaller light Sabre troops or scout cars was no longer as necessary as had been in the blockade of Normandy. It was also deemed that a heavier formation would be required, and the decision was taken to revert the squadrons back to having only 5 Sabre troops, consisting of Daimler armoured cars and Daimler Dingo scout cars. However, due to the number of Daimler armoured cars having been converted into sawn-off Daimlers, there wasn't enough Daimler armoured cars to fully equip the Sabres. Therefore, the sawn-off Daimlers were sent back to the Royal Engineer Detachment of the 11th Armoured Division to have their front mudguards and turrets reinstated, as the task was beyond that of the Light Aid Detachment assigned to the Intercourt. This is as per the recorded memoirs of Lieutenant Colonel J. Lawson, who became the commanding officer of the Intercourt Regiment in January 1945. So each Sabre troop consisted of 2 Daimler Dingo scout cars and 2 Daimler armoured cars, very much as per the original Sabre troop formation as of June 1944. The support troop reverted back to having 1 Daimler Dingo scout car from having a Daimler armoured car and 3 half-tracks with 18 dismounts. The admin troop is believed to have still consisted of 1 water cart, 7 3-ton lorries and 1 motorcycle. The squadron headquarters is still believed to have consisted of 4 Staghound armoured cars, 1 jeep, 1 staff car, 1 white scout car acting as an ambulance and 5 motorcycles. So the full complement for the Sabre squadron was as follows: 10 Daimler armoured cars, 11 Daimler Dingo scout cars, 4 Staghound armoured cars, 3 half-tracks, 7 3-ton lorries, 1 white scout car, 1 jeep, 1 staff car and 6 motorcycles. A visualisation of the entire complement of the Sabre squadron is as per can be seen. So the caveats. In the oral history recording by J. Lawson, where he records his memories of becoming the commanding officer for the Intercourt in January 1945, he recalls that each squadron had a gun troop consisting of a pair of 75mm equipped M3 gun motor carriages. However, it is believed that he is actually recalling the gun troops of his previous assignment as the second in command of the 11th Hussars, as no other recollection or recording has been found to show that the Intercourt operated a gun troop. Furthermore, allocation tables show that the 11th Hussars were indeed operating 8-number M3 GMCs in this period, 2 number per squadron, whereas the Intercourt had no allocation of any 75mm gun-equipped vehicles. Now this caveat is regarding the support blitz troop. So the number of dismount troops in the support blitz troop is based off of the generic organisation chart for the armoured car regiments from 1944 June of. The chart lists the following personnel in the support squadron: 1 officer, 1 NCO and 18 other ranks with 1 Bren. However, breakdowns of assigned troops provided in these squadrons, the long road home, does show that there was some minor variation of the distribution and number of troops in the blitz troop, likely a topic for a future video. Other ranks includes lance sergeants, lance corporals, corporals and soldiers. References are as per shown here. So firstly we have War-Wheels.net. War-Wheels.net gives the allocation tables for the British armoured cars in Europe from 1944 to 1945. Very useful if you're trying to work out what squadrons or what regiments had what vehicles. There's also Needs Must by Taggart AF, a very useful resource. It basically is a collection of the Innsbruck's war diaries. There's also The Devil's Own by Hatton DM. This is a history of the Innsbruck Regiment from their creation all the way up till the 1990s, and so there is a large section covering World War II. And there's also the oral history recording by J. Lawson, which is available on the Imperial War Museum, and referencing his beginning with the Innsbruck is reel number 33, if you're interested. So until next time, cheerio.